Hey guys, Alex from traxxas. Just picked this up from the mailman. It's a Traxxas 116 Mini VXL e-revo. I got it used instead of new, just because this is pretty much a steal. Yeah, I'll tell you how much I got it for and what's included once I open it up. So let's open it up. It's a weird box to put it in, but it's alright. The back side. Sorry about this. It's a weird box because it doesn't get on the bottom. I'm kind of just pushed everything out of the way right now that was on my workbench, just because this was a pretty big box. I guess the guy that had it got some Kamek Nation Plus Brown medium size, or men's 10 size boots. Pretty cool. $80. Expensive. Okay, here we go. So now we get to open it. Yay! This guy really. Okay, I'm not gonna use the gun. Just break the box. There we go. All right. Some bubble wrap stuff. We have. That's weird. The antenna is really loose. We have the radio here. You include batteries. Let's find out. Yes, he did. He did include 4 AA's. frys.com. Wonder what that is. They obviously sell batteries. So there's the radio. It's exactly the same as my dad's, just he wrote his name on the bottom. It's being pretty good shape, not very many scratches at all. There's that. Looks like it comes with a manual. It's not in that good of shape, but yeah, a bunch of wrinkles in it. And then it also comes with the parts list or exploded views, all the names of the parts and prices and all this stuff, so that's pretty cool. Then, oh, I'm not gonna set it in that, my dirty body. Next, oh, it's for the servo. He must have changed something, because he must have changed the servo or something, because that doesn't usually come with it. Oh, here's the body. Well, it's not in here, it's there, but Irish QB Breeze waits for second chance. Huh. Fun and games. So this was during, let's see, this was this is probably the end of the first week, because this isn't the full medal. Well, maybe it's the end, because they have all the medal counts up here. USA's in the lead with 102, China's in second with 87. Yep, Sunday, August 12th. Alright, so there's that. Alright, so here is the body. Wow. He added some stuff. He added a lot of stickers. It looks like he cut out the body a little bit right here. This thing is pretty scratched up. Oh, stickers on the back. Land yachts, longboards. Oh. Yeah, it's in pretty bad condition. Well, I'll use it until I get another one. Probably put our colors on there. Yeah, it looks like he put a lot of RPM stickers on there and just a bunch of other stickers. Looks like he likes the number 19. So that's the body. Let's see what's next. Tires. Wow, these are smaller than I thought they were. I don't know why, but I thought they were the same size as the Stampede tires. They do have. Here real quick. See if I have a. Yep. They do have 12-meter hexes on them. See, this is a regular slash hex that you put on, or wheel hub. So you can put these tires on there. That'd be a cool video. How much would you like that? 6 Revo tires on a slash. I think that'd be a pretty cool video. Oh, that's pretty cool. Comes with extra tires. Are these ones? Yeah, those ones are 12 millimeters too. Proline. Oh wait. Yeah, Proline something. Oh. Proline Dirt Hogs. Those weren't in the picture. That's really cool. The rim I don't really like, but I'll keep them on there. That's pretty cool. It comes with a extra set of like road tires, I guess. Now to do size comparison, here they are. Here they are. Next. Sorry, this one's pretty dirty. Let's see if I can find a cleaner one. Yeah. Here's one. This is Proline Suburbs. So this is standing end on end. I got her level on the ground. It's a little bit taller and just a little bit bigger. So yeah, I'll still put these on my slash to try them out. Oh, that's pretty cool. It keeps including stuff. Wall trickle charger. Won't be needing it. The battery's already broken in, and my dad has one, so don't need that. So yeah, there's the trickle charger, which I'm probably not using. All this bubble wrap, and there's the actual part. Here is another dirt hog. Oh. Huh, that's weird. He took off all the tires. Probably the only way to get it. Another road tire. Whoa. Now that's awesome. I originally thought that there was only 2 of these, because in the listing he did say they had dirt hogs, or he had dirt hogs, but I didn't know it was for all 4, or he had 4 of them. I thought it was just 2 of them. That's pretty cool. So 8 tires total that it comes with. 80 weight shock oil. Doesn't look like he used any. If he did, oh, he did. It's about 3/4 full. So I'll use this on this one and my slash. That's pretty cool. Whoa. Sorry about that. Hold on, let me check something real quick, and then I'll get back to the unboxing. Alright. Just want to make sure that the camera was focused. Or not focused, but it was where it should be. Pointed where it should be. Battery on top. Wow. I didn't think that this would be small. Or this small. I mean, that is tiny. Used MA charge amps. So this is 1600. It says I should charge it on 2 amps. Not bad. Well, it doesn't say, it just says charge amps 1 or 2, and then battery capacity 1200 or 1600, and then they just give the times. So I'll probably charge it on 1.5 or something a little faster than that, maybe 2. So there's a 6L. I don't have a ruler on me. Let's see if it's in my toolbox. Where did it go? Alright. I had like an L measurer. Yeah, I think so. 1 second. Probably cut out all this in between stuff. If not, sorry about that. What's an easier one? No. Try to find the nicest looking one so it's easier to see. Alright, here we go. So that battery, LEDs are in place. That battery is only about 3.5 inches long. Yeah, that battery about 3.5 inches long. So, so that's a lot smaller compared to my 2-cell hard case. Look at the size difference. That's messed up. Kind of. It came with 3 batteries. It said that one of the Venom batteries... Oh yeah, there it goes. Alright. How in the world does that happen? So here's the same one. See, but this one, the black wire came off. But the LED is still in there. I don't know how to get that out. I know I can push it out, but I don't know. I'll probably have to replace the whole thing because it's soldered onto the metal connector thing. I forgot what it's called. Here's a series connector. So this plugs into the ESC, and then so you get it. Yeah, series makes it goes twice as fast.
How did it? What?
Huh. So there's a series connector. This guy, he left, like I said, 4 dirt hogs, which really I'm gonna use him for on-road post. Oh, I don't know. Don't know yet. I might use him for on-road, off-road. Don't know yet. But he took. Here's the actual car. He took the 2 left side, the 2 left side tires off, but kept the 2 right side on. Really loose. I mean, look at it. Unless that's all pillow balls. That might be pillow balls. No, it's not. It's the actual wheel nut. Those are really loose. It looks pretty clean. There are a couple scratches here and there. He's missing